Hi folks, welcome back to Glow Sniff Garage. Today's video we are looking at the Aoshima Honda Beat PP1. This is a pretty famous Kei car from the late 80s, early 90s. Part of the sort of three Kei car sort of sports car ones. We've got this, the Cappuccino by Suzuki and the AutoZam AZ1. And this was Honda's offering. Two-seater mid-engined little tiny sports car with a tiny 660cc engine. So we'll have a wee look at the box. So I believe this is an older issue, so it comes in the yellow box. The newer versions, it's a white box with the same car, but it's the sort of standard Aoshima boxes that they do just now, so it's all white with the yellow car in the front. It's the same, pretty much the same kit, but just in a different box. So got nice artwork there of the Beat on the front. I've got your usual warnings and a list of the Mr. Hobby colours. Same in the side. It's part of the Best Car GT series, number 19. And on the back here, specifications of the car. As you can see there, 656cc, so it meets the Kei car regulations. Same with all your dimensions, your size of the car, very strict, so small dimensions. And you get a little bit of the history of the car there too. This was the last car that was approved by Hiroichi Honda before he passed away, so you can think of this as the Honda's Ferrari F40, as that was the same with Enzo Ferrari, the last car that he approved before he died. So I'll stop rambling, I'll open up the box, take out all the bags, and we'll have a look at it. So I've got the bags opened up and everything ready to have a look at. So start off with these couple of things. So we've got the sheet of chrome foil. This comes in really handy for, it's really good for doing mirrors, the backs of headlights and stuff like that. Very similar to bare metal foil. I've never used bare metal foil myself, but this, I really like using this. Also got some masking stickers for your windows, and then we have the instruction manual. So it's quite a simple kit, but it's relatively detailed from looking at everything. I wasn't expecting it to be as detailed as it is. Expecting this to be a really basic kind of curbside kit, but there's actually quite a bit to it, quite a lot of parts. Okay, quite a lot of parts for this style of kit. Okay, so first of all, we'll start off with these. This kit comes with the raised TE37 wheels, but they are teeny tiny little wheels for a teeny tiny little car. Next up, we'll just show you one of the tyres too. Absolutely tiny. And there is two clear sprues here, and this is the first one. This is your rear glass, and you've got the option of a hardtop. Next up, we have got your interior parts, interior tub there. Couple of steering wheel options, the famous Honda steering wheel that they used in absolutely everything in the 90s. Front and rear suspension. Dashboard, quite a bit of flash around the pedals there. Rear spoiler. Gear shift, handbrake. It looks to be the exhaust tip, and for some bizarre reason this car comes with a separately moulded oil filter, which you have to put onto the engine underneath. but the engine isn't separately moulded. Rear view mirror, your binnacle with your gauges and your steering column, and your two seats there. Speaking of which, got your decals here. They come with this lovely zebra print decals for your seats. Well, lovely if you're into that kind of thing, but there we go. You also get your number plates. Kei cars always have yellow number plates with black lettering. If it's a commercial Kei car or Kei vehicle, it's the other way around. It's a black number plate with yellow writing. Your dials there, fuel filler cap, various couple of Honda badges, and your sort of Japanese tax discs. Next up we have got the second clear sprue. So we have got your soft top option, and you've got the option to have the top folded down, and then we've got the windscreen there too, and your front and rear light covers. Next up we've got a lot of chassis parts here. So like I said, we've got that oil filter that has to be glued into place. You can see the sort of circular mark there where it's supposed to go, and you've got your bottom of your engine moulded in there. It's actually fairly detailed. I don't know if the camera will pick it up, but you've got the Honda badge stamped into the bottom of the oil pan. Some pipes coming up to the front, and two radiator fans and tucked away in there. You've got your back box for your exhaust, front and rear disc brakes, lower control arms and steering rack, subframe there, more control arms, got your wing mirrors, window wipers, axles, more exhaust parts. And last but not least, we have got the body shell. Absolutely tiny. Old lines in the usual places, up the front sides of the bonnet, running up along from the lights there, and down the front bumper. Hidden in this on the back on your the boot there. You can see them coming down onto the back over the rear mud flaps. Yeah, it's quite a nicely moulded body. I just need to be careful with the window frames there. It's good that it's got this support beam moulded in until you're ready to take it off. So yeah, that was a really nicely moulded body. You can really see how small that is when you see it up against the box. So yeah, that was the Aoshima Honda Beat PP1. Really nice little easy kit by the looks of it. Had a pretty heavy kit there, just finished the Lancia 037, so I was looking to get something relatively easy and stress free, so picked this up. I'll probably make a start in it in the next week or so. So as always, thanks for watching the video. Always appreciate if you leave a wee comment, wee like, subscription. It's all appreciated, and I will see you in a future video. Cheers, bye.